Memorandum Circular. Importante po, pakinggan niyo po ito, ha? Before the May 5, 2025 MC of Ombudsman Martires, ang rule, in Rule 2, Section 2, ay may evaluation ng complaint. No? Linawin lang natin, step by step. Doon po sa evaluation, ano ang pwedeng gawin ng investigating officer? Yung una, pinaka nakakatakot, dismissed outright for want of palpable merit. In short, ano yan A to F yan, ano? So in short, without the memorandum circular, tama si Atty. Topacio. Kaya nagkakaroon ng mga parking fee. Iba yan dun sa, dun sa mga diskaya na, sa Congress na parking, Dito po, kumbaga, bago bigyan ng docket number, making it really filed, pwedeng mag-evaluate yung investigating officer at sabihin, dismiss na yan outright for want of palpable merit. Yun yung danger na ating sinusubukang iwasan. Kaya po, in the wisdom of former Ombudsman Martires, tinanggal niya yung evaluation as he is empowered to do by his rule-making power. So yun po, kami po ay nananawagan muli sa taong bayan to be made aware na ang totoong laban sa corruption ngayon really is yung magiging susunod na ombudsman.